Let's permanently delete your Instagram Lite account. To start, open your Instagram Lite application. After login, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Now, in the pop-up window, you have to select Settings. Here, you have to select Help. Now select Help Center. Then you have to tap the hamburger menu next to Help Center. Now select Manage your account. Next, you have to select Delete your account. Here you have to select the second option, Delete your Instagram account. Once you tap that, you will see this kind of option. Here you have to select Mobile Browser Help. Don't set anyone. If you are using mobile phone, you have to select the fourth one, Mobile Browser Help. Under that, you will get this one, Delete your account option. To request the permanent deletion of your account from your mobile browser. If you follow my instruction correctly, you will get Delete your account feature. So, to go to deletion page, tap Delete your account. Then, you will be redirected to this window. From here, you can permanently delete your Insta account. First, you have to provide a reason. Here, number of reasons. For the easiness, I will select something else. If you want, you can select another one too. After that, you have to re-enter your password to verify yourself. After re-enter your password like this, to permanently delete your account, tap delete button at the bottom. Once you tap delete button, you will be scheduled to delete your account within next 30 days. Before that 30 days, you can't retrieve anything you have added. So I highly recommend you to download a copy of your information before you delete it. Otherwise, you will lose all your information. That's how to permanently delete your Instagram Lite account. That's it. Later.